welcome to my channel. My name is Rina. I'm a professional makeup artist. I think you already know it, but yeah. So today I want to show you simple eyeliner look for everyday life. So if you're ready, let us start. We start with really light eyeshadow and cover all our eyelid, underbrow, and just everything. Then I'm using a little bit like shimmer eyeshadow and put it in the edge of my eye. And a little bit to crease. Then I'm using silver shimmer eyeshadow and put it like in the same way but more on the lid. Then take the same eyeshadow and just fill your under lash area. Just take black eyeshadow and just get your under lashes filled with it. And we are drawing something like our eyeliner, and then we will use Catrice's eye pencil to fill our lash line with black. Time for love, and I'm using E.l.f. gel eyeliner. You may also use whatever eyeliner you want. It may be like pencil, or you can just use marker eyeliner. It depends on you, but I'm in love with gel eyeliners, so. But you really need to think about it, because if you use gel, it's quite harder to remove it. Then I'm applying cream on my face, and then we'll use my favorite foundation from Milani. It's Conceal and Perfect, so I think you should try it. Just give it a chance and you will never want to use something different. Then fill your brows. For this makeup I used pencil because I wanted to make something soft this time, but it depends on your wants. I think everyone knows how to apply mascara, but if you want me to make another video just about applying it, I'm ready. Then I'm using contouring palette from NYX, and I started with filling my eye corners with highlighter and applying it a little bit under my brows, on my nose. And don't forget about angel bow, because it makes lips feel like bigger, look bigger. You know, times ago I was afraid of blush, but now I think it's quite nice thing. Thank you so much for watching this video and being with me. I really hope you liked it. So if you do, just let me know, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what do you want to see next. So have a nice day and bye bye, see you soon.